Hi everyone, I am Shambhavi. This is the ATC assignment and it is a topic is web-based visualizer for structural representation of these programs. It is the contents. This is the problem statement. It is a modern programming tools and AI coding assist do not treat source code as plain text. It is instead they analyze the code using various structural representations such as like tokens, abstract tree, control flow graph, that data flow graph and code property graph. To understand it's the syntax, execution flow and data dependencies. Is the aim of this project is it how to design the develop and web-based applications that accepts and C program as input visualizers. It is then structural representations includes tokenizations, AST, CFG, DSG, and CGP. And the system should provide an interactive way to study programs, analyzes techniques, you understanding the systems, making complex concepts easier to learn and visualize. It is an It is an introduction. It is a programming languages are designed to allow humans to communicate instructions to computers. However, computer cannot directly understand high-level languages programming code. Therefore, the source code must undergo several analysis phases before execution. Modern AI and code assist. It is a capillate and cloud use techniques similar to compilers to understand program structures and behavior. These projects demonstrate how a C program that can transform mode into various structural representations, including tokenizations, AST, CFG, and DFG, and CGP. These representations help analyze syntax, control flow, and data dependencies within program. And it is a simple in the sample program. It is an include. It is in studio.h. It is main. It have to include the va- values. Int a is equal to 5 means int b is equal to 10, and int c have to find a is less than b. So c is equal to a plus b. Then it is else c is equal to a minus b. Like then it is print and return 0. This tokenization means lexical analysis is the first phase of a compiler. It scans the source code and converts it into sequence of tokens. Each token represents a meaningful unit of the program. And it is a types of tokens, keyword, reserved words in example, int, if, else return. Identifiers, name given into variable functions and arrays. Example to a, comma b and main. Constant, it is a fixed values like in 5 and 10. Operators perform operations is a plus, minus, into, and greater than or less than. Delimiters it is an separate programs elements. Sample source program to convert to tokens like int it is an keyword, main it is an identifier, open bracket it is a symbol, closed bracket it is a symbol, int is equal to keyword, a is equal to identifier, equal is equal to operator, 5 is equal to constant, comma equal to delimiter, if is equal to keyword, a is equal to identifier, and it is an operator, b is equal to identifier. It is an abstract syntax tree as represent hierarchical structure of the program, and ASGT removes the unnecessary symbols and focus in the logical structures of the program. And control flow graph means it is a control graph represents all possible executions paths in a program, and it components node it represents statements or block. Edges it represent flow of execution. Decision node it is a represent condition such as if, while, or. And it is a data flow graph. It of the purpose of track variable dependencies, analyze data usage, identify redundant computations. It is a diagram and the it is a graph. In the graph above shows variables behind where the provided data and expressions compute values results stored in C, and C it is used to print F. And code property graph it is an code property graph it is an unified representations that combines EST, CFG, and DFG. What is the benefits means it is a provides the complete program understanding and supports unnecessarily detection used in advanced software system. Analysis it is a CAPG, it is representation CPG to equal to AST plus CFG plus DFG. It is an AST program, DFG program, and CFG. Yeah, both are combined, and CPG provides a complete representation, so it is a syntax, control flow, and data flow. Many AI-based code analysis tools use this idea. And this connection to the automata theory means this project is directly related to the automata theory. It forms the mathematical foundation of compiler design, and it is a finite automata. It is used to during lexical analysis, and it is start letter identifier, start digit number, context free grammar. It is used to during parsing. Example, it is a program function. It is an int main statement, if statement is an assignment. The push-down automata it is used to handle nested structures. The stack memory of PDA it helps to match opening and closing brackets. Without automata theory, it is compiler constructions on AI code understanding not possible. And it is a connection to the AI code assistants. AI coding assistant use multiple stages of analysis before generating response like source code and lexical analysis, parsing, ESG generation to the CFG construction. Next, it is a BFG construction, CGP creation, AI reasoning, and code suggestions. Like example, it is a bug detection and code completion and error explanation, documentation generation. And it is an output graphs. And finally, it is in conclusions, this project demonstrate how a C program can be represented during the tokenization's abstract syntax tree. And it is a control flow graph, it is a data flow graph, and code property graph. The representations provide a clear understanding of programs, syntax, execution path, and data dependencies. This project also shows the importance of automata theory in compiler instructions and highlights how modern AI code assistants analyze source code to perform tasks such as code completion and bug detection, optimization, and program understanding. Overall, this visualize helps bridge the concepts of compiler design, automata theory, and AI-based code analysis in a simple and interactive way. Thank you.